Jim Harbaugh made millions at Michigan, but he didn't just take a regular paycheck.
Wait, what? So how do you get paid? In trophies and hugs?
Even better, the university used part of his salary to buy a life insurance policy on him.
Wait, they insured their coach? Like football, but financial?
That's the twist. This policy builds cash value while he's alive.
Cash value? Like a piggy bank?
Exactly. He can pull money out of it whenever he needs it. Tax free.
Like a loan from his own piggy bank?
Right, but Harbaugh still gets access to the money, just in a smarter way. That policy builds cash value you can borrow from any time. No banks, no taxes, no permission.
Okay, so he still gets his millions, but now they're like supercharged dollars?
Exactly. And when he eventually passes, Michigan can get some of their money back from a portion of the policy's death benefit based on how it is set up.
Whoa, that's not a contract. That's a money machine.
Yep, he basically turned a salary into a legacy-building wealth strategy.
So if I get paid in cookies and put them in a jar that earns interest,
Then maybe one day you'll fund Babyland without ever touching a bank loan.
Step 1, fire my piggy bank. Step 2, call Michigan.
How about having your mom call an experienced life insurance agent?
Oh,
If turning a football coach's salary into life insurance blew your baby mind.
wait till you see what strategy's coming up next. These grown-ups are getting real creative with their money.
Bold moves and mind-blowing ideas that build legacies.
Smash that subscribe button, and we'll baby break it all down in the next one.